Corporate networks at risk, Hiatus exploits DrayTek Vigor routers. A hacking campaign dubbed Hiatus is currently underway as stealing data from DrayTek Vigor router models 2960 and 3900 to establish a covert proxy network. The system data gathered includes the MAC address, kernel version, system architecture, and firmware version. Every 8 hours, HiatusRAT sends a post-heartbeat to the C2, allowing the threat actor to monitor the compromised router's status. The bash script has a packet capturing tool that listens to network traffic from TCP ports associated with FTP connections and mail servers. Lumen's researchers believe that the threat actor deliberately maintains a small attack volume to evade detection. According to Black Lotus scans, about 4,100 vulnerable DrayTek routers were exposed on the internet as of mid-February 2023. For details, visit our website.